Hi, Moriah from Mogility here. In this YouTube channel from Mogility, we walk through safe and other agile topics. In this video, we'll be diving into the foundation of safe. So, what is the foundation of safe? If you check the Scaled Agile Framework website, you will find the foundation of safe is lean agile leadership. So, in this video, we'll talk through lean agile leadership, the core values, the principles, and the mindset. So, what are the core values of lean agile leadership? Those core values are alignment, built in quality, transparency, and program execution. Alignment is needed to keep pace with fast changes or disruptive competitive forces within your teams and organization. So, alignment really starts with a strategy and investment decisions at the portfolio level. And built in quality is the assurance that flow, architectural design, code quality, system quality, and release quality are all considered and built into the process. So typically, whenever you think of built in quality, I'm sure DevOps comes to mind. And with transparency, we want to ensure there's openness and trust. We want to ensure that the work is visible to the people who need to see it. We want to make sure that the teams and the agile release trains can see the portfolio, business enablers, and epics to ensure that they are working towards the right goals. And last but not least is program execution. Program execution is essentially executing and continually delivering value. So next, I want to jump into the principles of being a lean, agile leader. And as you can see, there's 10 principles here. I will call out just a couple of these, as you can go to the Scaled Agile Framework website if you would like more information, or you can take a leading safe class that I, as an SPC, can lead. So the first one that I like to talk about is organizing around value. This does not mean that you will restructure your hierarchy and the silos within your organization. This simply means that you recognize where the value is within the organization, how your customer receives value, and you create a flow of work based around this. And then you pull in the required people or teams to ensure that value can continue to grow and thrive. And the next thing is applying cadence, synchronize with cross-domain planning. So again, this is known as PI planning, but it is essential that the leaders, the managers, the directors, the vice presidents, and above are all thinking about these components whenever they are asking an organization to move to safe. And next is the mindset. The mindset is shown in this image as a house, the foundation being lean agile leadership. This is where the leaders are applying these lean thinking habits to their daily activities. And you can see the pillars are respect for people and culture, flow, innovation, relentless improvement. And then the roof of this all is value. This is how can we get the most value out to the customer in the shortest time frame. So why is lean agile leadership important? If you don't have lean agile leadership, if you don't have someone who understands the vision of Scaled Agile Framework, you will not grow. You will not be able to attain the next level of growth beyond your next leader. So imagine I am a manager and I work for a company that wants to move to Scaled Agile Framework. And my director and my VPs have not taken the class Leading Safe, and therefore they don't understand the principles, the mindset, the core values. And so these are not things that they embody. And beyond that, they don't understand the end goal or the milestones that we need to go through to get to the end goal. So as a manager, I will constantly be trying to manage up to my direct leadership to ensure that A, they understand where we're headed and why, and B, they provide the forcing function to all other employees within the organization. Scaled Agile framework really puts a lot of emphasis on if you, as a leader, are not going to show up, do not send anyone. It is very clear in Scaled Agile framework that you need leadership to understand these components. Otherwise, you can't move forward. So who can be a lean agile leader? So I have two answers for this. The Scaled Agile framework response is leaders are managers and above. My response, however, is a bit more convoluted. So yes, managers and above, it is very important that we have people in those roles who have taken the training, who understand the concepts. Yet there are leaders at all levels within an organization. And it is important that we all provide some sort of onus in our jobs and where the organization that we work for are headed. So in my opinion, a leader is someone who possesses the qualities that will inspire others to continue growing. I'm sure you've all heard the saying, one bad apple can spoil the bunch. And that is so true. I've been on teams with one bad apple, and it really sours the rest of the people's attitude on the team. In conclusion, without leaders truly leading the changes they want to see in their organization, there will be no change. This means they embody the qualities, they understand the concepts, they provide and encourage autonomy, and they ensure to follow the implementation roadmap. I hope this video was helpful. Again, this was Moriah with Mogility, where we provide content related to Agile and Safe. For more information for specialized training, please reach out to mogilitytraining.com and I would be happy to help.